friends, God bless you and welcome. My name is Penny and welcome to the collaboration coming from Miss Antonette from Antonette Decor channel, and also her co-host is Miss Melandie Thompson. And they asked us to do a collaboration with them, and this collaboration is called Green for Halloween. And if we didn't decorate for Halloween, we can do the colors of green or purple or black. So I thank these beautiful ladies for putting this together. Friends, I'm not too much of a Halloween decorator, so I just walked around the neighborhood and I saw this yesterday and I say, guys, this is a big skeleton. She had to pay at least $300 or more. So what y'all think about this? But I do dress up with fun little characters, and I do have fun with the grandkids because we make fun out of this. So let me share with you what I did today. So what I'm going to do for my color green, and this color green that I'm painting my pumpkins with is called Jungle Camouflage from Home Depot. It's like a hunter green color, and I'm going to paint some of my pumpkins, and this is my little DIY project. So I'm going to make this work to add some green colors within my vignette. So I'm going to show you how I put together a little vignette, a little decoration in this corner. And this is at my daughter-in-law's house because we were painting. And so I said I was going to do my vignette here. So guys, I'm going to take you along and show you how I put this together. I'm going to put this wicker tray with the words kitchen on it in the corner. And I believe this came from Walmart. Here I want to bring in some more of my black, and the kitchenwares have the black, but I want to make sure I'm putting some more black in this collaboration. And I bought this tray from Walmart on last year and it was only $10. And this is a beautiful vase I'm going to use for my centerpiece. This vase came from At Home Stores, and the flower came from Kirkland's. And this is like a neutral color, and it does has a little rust in it. So I figured that this would have been really cute to add in my green and my black colors. And this is my velvet pumpkins. They were $10, and we got these from Home Goods. And once again, there's that black, and I added a little gold with it. So if you want these pumpkins, you have to go to Home Goods. And if you cannot find them and you desire to have this, you can always buy some velvet material and DIY your pumpkins. So I hope that tip helps. And here I am going to add a green candle, and I got this candle from At Home Store for only $4.99. Certain candles are on sale, and I believe this one says the cabin scent. So it's looking like a little bit of green Halloween. And here's my beautiful DIY pumpkins. That green is showing up in the camera so beautiful. If you want to DIY your pumpkin, just pick up the colors, and I hope that you're enjoying this for. And if you're new on today, thank you so much for stopping by. You are so welcome, and I hope that we connect. So here I decided to bring in my other pumpkins, to pull out the other colors, because I could have just stopped it with the green, because that green was just beautiful. But I wanted to bring in that gold, and I add a little bit of leaves. And guys, tell me what you think about this. And I'm telling you guys, once you start getting into this, you're going to love doing the vignette. And I love doing vignette because it's movable. So if you need to use your counter, you always can move it. So to bring balance and symmetry, I added these 2 candles on the side. So guys, it's coming out pretty good for Halloween. And it always have to be spooky. But guys, it can be beautiful. I want to take time to thank Miss Antonette Decorating for putting this together, and Miss Melandie Thompson. I know they're coming up with something wonderful for Halloween. Guys, I hope this has been an inspiration to you and a motivation to decorate even on a budget. And friends, the candles, the first set, the gray set, came from at-home stores, and the second set came from Kirkland's. Now, if you were to decorate someone's home, I would advise you to get the smaller one here. I love this one better, but the right one is a little too tall. So that's why I kind of just put that. So tell me what y'all think. Did I did good for the Halloween green and the black? And if you're new here, welcome. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and you're always welcome to share. Friends, while I'm doing this, it began to storm outside. So if you're hearing sounds, it's raining. So I hope you're having a blessed and prosperous day from Penny. Thank y'all so much for being a part of this. And go back and watch the playlist and all the beautiful participants. I know they're going to come up with something great. I love you. And remember, you're too blessed to be stressed. I'll see you on my next video. Y'all have a blessed and prosperous day. Bye-bye from Penny. And if you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe. Y'all have a blessed day. Love you from Penny.